Hello guys, so I'm going to join Korea, so stay tuned.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of
Hello guys, so we are now in Incheon part. We just arrived.
best friend sofa. You were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
So now we're gonna find the halal restaurant. Hello guys, so day 2 in Seoul, Korea. So today we're gonna go to university in Korea. So let's find out. Ciao.
You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Swear.
Thank you for treating us. Ni muka-muka kena belanja, muka-muka kena belanja.
So special, pretty other from the minute that I met you.
We're gonna find toilet because our friend want to poo. Okay, so now we are in the night market. So yeah, we're gonna find anything here for souvenir. But we'll see. Hello guys, so day 3 in Seoul, Korea. So today we're gonna go to a few entertainment places for like Blackpink, and also we'll see.
차갑도록 서로 겨눈 채 말이 선 듯 그 목소리엔 숨 막히는 것만 가득해. 눈을 가린 채로 그렇게 굳게 닫아보니 서로의 마음이 애써 외면하는 것.
Hello guys, so day 4 in Seoul, Korea. So today we are going to Nami Island. See you in a bit.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, she never leaves my city. She keeps me alive.
Morning guys, day 5 in Seoul, Korea. So today we're gonna go to Everland. So we are heading to Dongdaemun Cultural Park Station. So see you in a bit. Ciao.
On your heart with a fever, won't you scroll but you won't leave her. Oh, here we are, all the freaks and believers, all the sweet neon dreamers. Oh.
After 1 hour journey, we arrive Everland.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The stars that you don't let keep on my arms, I appear empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
Day 6 in Seoul, Korea. Today we're gonna go to Palace. So check it out. Day 7 in Seoul, Korea. So today we're gonna go to Itaewon Malls to pray Friday prayer, and then we're gonna just walk around Myeongdong and Itaewon City. So stay tuned.
We'll never forget the past. But what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. One day, burning in the sky, so beautiful. There's something going down. I'll never leave without a single sound. That's how I see my children. 1, 2, 3, make some noise, everybody, come on! Stuck inside a moment, and we're never going back.
Day 7 in Seoul, Korea. So we are heading to the airport and going back to Malaysia. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.